within the first hour. You stood amazed in your delighted shoes, bewildered but willing, didn't know what to do. So I grabbed your cold hand, pressed it to my beating heart and said, isn't it neat how our bodies tick and we can move our feet whenever and however we please? You stared blindly while I waited politely in the doorway by our school. Some cars passing, I noticed someone was singing us by Regina Spektor. You know I had a crush on her. I know you don't like gray skies, we know our multiplication tables. You got straight A's while I was writing fairy tales and booking up with no seals, asking why the sunshine liked my eyes and kissed my cheek when it knew I was in love with the moon and of course with you. Well, I sped it up cause you don't like slow songs. You're more the literal kind, yeah. You're more like the ocean's waves. You get closer at the end of the day when you know I can't see your face, when you're sure I'm already lost. Love is oh so lovely, but it also comes with the cost. With the cost.
Irrigation.
Nice.